Welcome to the Mindsensors TouchPanel Noise-a-Tron device. Possibly the most annoying implementation ever of a program using the touch panel. And I can safely say this because there haven't been many of these. You can control the tone by moving your stylus across the screen. But just in case you thought that was all, you can actually change the tone multiplier by touching the virtual buttons on the side. You can change the one for the X and one for the Y. So for example, if you touch here, you get this one. And then we changed one here. See, it sounds a lot less annoying. Or more annoying depending on what kind of sound you like. Let's see. Starts making a big difference around the higher tones because of the way the multiplier works. See? Sounds completely different. Annoying in completely different ways, which is really great. See? This wonderful program and the source code will be available with the driver suite, of course. So you can annoy your dogs, your neighbors, and your parents. And that's it.